your Kòlò teacher. So today we are going to move forward with the 5 roots expressing identity and insistence in Kòlò language. So let's move to the screen. I hope you all have understood that these are the verbs to be in the 5 different forms. So today we are going to see the 4th one, and the 4th one is Kòlò. Kòlò means to still be, which expresses continued insistence. We have examples here. The first one is Bingalanda, which means we are still at home. The second one is Angal Mwanga, which means he is still a child. Nota bene, when we use this verb, this Kòlò, with another verb, it shows that the verb's action is still continuing and denotes the idea of still in the process of. Example, Angeladza or Angeladza, which means he has not yet finished eating. The second one here, let me arrange it. Yes, let me arrange it so that you can see easily. Yes, the second one, we're changing to Times New Roman 20. Yes. Bengal de sie. Which means they are not yet walking, or they have not yet started walking. Or let us put it here, they have not yet started walking. Yes. I hope this class was simple and you were able to understand. So let me repeat again. Kòlò, which means to still be, which expresses continued insistence. But when it is used with another verb, it shows that the action is still in the process of. We have examples here. Bingalanda, we are still at home. Angal Mwanga, he's still a child. Angelata, he has not yet finished eating. And the last one is Bengal to see, which means they are not yet working, or they have not yet started working. For those of you who still have problems in understanding our topics, you can reach out to me via WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and my TikTok channels. So see you during next class. Viva la!